Today's edition of the news. An explosion tragedy in East Jhansi. Tungsco mine blast, toll rises. Pay framework for 99 ad hoc. Double parking facility in Pariksha Pichard. News. Responsible explosion in Singat area this district. According to on Thursday, more than 19 lives, while reaffirming the government's of NDRF, police and cabinet ministers
there are action against, because I mean your law, whatever action is to be taken against. Yes, there are details with me right now, but all the details are being done. I assure you that I'll
recovered another body this afternoon. Search and rescue operation while clearing to remain in Jhansi Hills. He was seen leaving Tungsco in 4.
They have suspect this on and more arrests if necessary. Try to seize all those mines.
किया ट्राई किया तो अभी एक वहां से मिले।
Thursday has taken several key decisions. To look at some of the major.
Meghalaya cabinet has structured pay frame 23,099 1st 2026, long pending demands and
There are other by total giving this 117 crores be the annual impact.
draft rules for direct government of outstanding sportspersons will cover medal winners such as the Olympics,
A special camp Olympic Games, South Asian Games.
Meanwhile, on financial matters, one will be linked tax adversely impacts like Meghalaya. The centre has assured that
mandated to distribute the index. Finance Minister. Positive base to be taken is at the policy has to be made.
and regarding the upcoming elections, have been part of the election to tribal autonomy and customary rights.
Past is from 9 roles. Take a call in this.
These reform youth governance in Meghalaya. Report DD News, Meghalaya.
Near the additional skate persistent stated that the government has adopted a strategy to deal with 9 to 10
Yeah.
Okay.
Again, I repeat myself, and I always, especially people like me who have to always look at a problem. We look at
Graduation program, graduating legends, welcoming game changers. This destination for the state startup initiative also released the prime rupees 2 lakhs to new benefit for the startup community.
All of them who work very
represented by Dial Mukti and Anas, represented by Dial Mukti and Anas.
challenges will be there. Challenges will be there. Will do its best to support each and every one of you.
Rupees 59 crore Greater Maukar mission with work now 90 in South water to 8 villages.
Dyan sa kabajanan, sa kuman maliit ka ka host ka biyang bagi kernan bagi kasus nanti bahkan ni kasus yang terbanyak mereka harus supply scheme.
Assembly elections, the BJP organization, the senior party leaders and workers
are very talented leaders with us. But why from you?
rest of the country in 2026 with a program to the program concluded with students by an interactive
कभी कभी हम बता रहे हैं कोई मजाक उड़ाए ये तो एस्ट्रोनॉट बनने वाला है तो
on to development in the Northeast. The pack devolved 371 termed the development a significant step toward a dispute-free Northeast.
People speak. In the state. And government of
से ही अब तक NLFD का समझौता हो, DNLA का समझौता, implementation कि भारत सरकार मगर इस डेवलपमेंट के लिए
Prime Minister Narendra exam stress and building confidence. Has to focus on physical and mental well to stay curious, build strong foundations in studies, nationwide interactive program.
ভালো আছি
बहुत लगी फील कर रहा हूँ
सर ने बोला
देश को उर्दू तो अच्छा होगा
By Dubai Crown Prince Sheikh Hamdan her innovative use of art and help over 1 million 800 Institute. The offside event provided a aspiring players, including with trophies to nurture emerging games and trophies to encourage continued take a look at the weather report. Minimum temperature 9 degrees. Humidity is 40%. And the forecast in Tura, Shillong and Jawai say before we wind up